Here's a quick walkthrough on how to update the firmware on your Power Acoustik CP-71WA head unit. To download this firmware update and view other important information, visit poweracoustik.com/CP-71WA-update. Once you have the bin file copied onto your freshly formatted FAT32 flash drive, power on your radio. Insert your flash drive into the USB from the back cable. Remember, the front USB-C port is for charging only and cannot be used for this update. You may get a message saying no data can be played. Ignore that and click on the Home button. Once back at the home screen, click on the Settings icon. Once in the settings, scroll down until you see Serial Inversion and click on it. You will then see the radio's current firmware. Click on Update and another window will pop up with the new update firmware from your flash drive. Click Update once again. Please wait a few minutes while the update completes. You will see different screens throughout the process until you finally see the initial setup menu. This part of the video is sped up for demonstration purposes. Once you complete the setup, the firmware update is now completed.